So I'm just gonna record myself doing my hair today because I wanted to show you guys how I've been styling my hair lately. I actually don't use a straightener anymore. I basically go from wet hair, I just got out of the shower, to straight hair with this Revlon hair styler. This basically dries your hair for you but also styles it at the same time. I'll turn it on so you guys can hear it. So as you can see, it's like a blow dryer, but it also will style your hair for you so you can kind of get a blowout at home. And I like doing this because it saves me a step. Like usually if I was going out and I had to wash my hair that day, I would have to like wash my hair, let it dry or blow dry it and then straighten it. Whereas now I can save so much time. I can literally go from wet to straight, and you guys will see how I do it, and it's so easy. It takes me about 10 minutes, maybe 15. What I normally do if I'm getting ready is I will shower and then I'll take my hair out of the towel and let it air dry a little bit while I do my makeup, and then once I'm done my makeup, my hair will be like 60% dry, and then it's even faster when you go in with this. But for the purpose of today's video, it's more wet today, so it might take me maybe like 15 minutes, whereas like when it's like 60% wet, it takes me like 10 minutes. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna like speed it up and show you guys how I do my whole head. Like honestly, this isn't really like a tutorial, like there's no right or wrong. I basically just section the same way I would section if I was to straighten my hair, like starting from the bottom and working my way up. And I just take strands of hair and run it through this until it's dry. You can do things where you can like turn it, you can just keep running it through, you can flip the ends out. Like it just depends. Like you kind of get the hang of it once you start using it. I will link this down below. I bought mine from Ulta, but you can find it at like most drugstores. If you live in Canada, I've seen it at Superstore, London Drugs, Shoppers, Walmart, like everywhere online. You can buy it on Amazon. So yeah, I'll leave some links down below. So watch me style my hair. I'm gonna take like a piece of hair this big, and when I start, I usually like to focus on the roots of the hair first because I feel that's usually like the wettest part, and I have really thick hair, so near the root is where it takes longer for my hair to dry. So I'm gonna be taking more time around my roots and then going down towards the ends of my hair. Okay, so this is how it looks now. And what I like about this is I feel you get like more body to your hair. You get like a nice curve. You get like a slight bounce to it. I just like it to have a little bit of a bounce and more of a straighter look. So yeah, it's dry. It's soft, shiny looking. I don't even use my straightener anymore. It's been months since I've used my straightener. I love the look of this because it kind of, because you'll see near the end, like you get a nice volume like framing your face if you've got layers, and it just looks like you got a professional blowout. So I'm gonna go ahead and continue and do the rest of my hair, and then I'll show you guys what it looks like at the end. I'm gonna pause that just to show you guys the volume I can get. Like, isn't that so nice how it kind of comes out and then the ends are kind of like flipped out too? So I'm done about half of my head, and here's how it looks so far. Okay, so I've just done drying it and this is how it looks. I usually go for a center part, but as you guys can see, you can get like so much volume by just giving yourself like an at-home blow dry. Like I never get this like when I straighten my hair. Okay, so that is my hair and this is how I do it. Here's how it looks. It looks healthy, it looks shiny, and here's the ends. That's how I go from wet hair to straight hair. I've been using this for a year now and I love it. I don't use my hair straightener anymore. You guys are always asking me how I straighten my hair, and this is what I do. I go from wet to dry in literally like 10 to 15 minutes, and it's the best thing that's ever happened to me. And if you guys try it, let me know down below what you guys thought. And if you guys like this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you guys have any other video suggestions, just leave me a comment down below. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!